In Conshohocken, where charming row homes sit alongside modern renovations, curb appeal plays a major role in making your home feel inviting, both to guests and potential buyers. One of the quickest and most effective ways to transform a home's exterior is through a new door installation. From elevating style to improving security and energy performance, a freshly installed door can make your home stand out for all the right reasons. Instant aesthetic upgrade. A front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach a home. Over time, older doors can fade, crack, or fall out of style. Installing a new door allows homeowners in Conshohocken to choose a design that truly complements their architecture, whether it's a craftsman-style door for a classic stone home or a sleek steel entry for a modern townhouse. Color is another powerful tool. Many homeowners are choosing bold, statement-making shades like deep red, navy blue, or forest green. These colors not only add personality but also create a visually appealing contrast against neutral siding or brick. A well-chosen door instantly refreshes the entire front facade. Adds character to historic and modern homes alike. Conshohocken's neighborhoods blend charming historic properties with newer constructions, and a new door installation can enhance either style. For older homes, replacing a warped or outdated wooden door with a more durable fiberglass option can maintain the classic look while improving longevity. For modern homes, upgrading to a minimalist door with clean lines and glass accents can give your exterior a striking, contemporary feel. Many homeowners also incorporate decorative elements like sidelights, transoms, or custom hardware. These added touches create a unique look that sets your home apart from the neighboring properties. Improved energy efficiency. A beautiful home exterior is important, but comfort matters too. Older doors often leak air, causing drafts that impact indoor temperatures and increase energy bills. Modern entry doors are engineered with improved insulation, weather stripping, and energy-efficient materials that help keep heat inside during chilly Pennsylvania winters and maintain cooler air throughout summer. Upgrading your door not only enhances curb appeal, but it also supports better energy performance. This is an appealing advantage for today's eco-conscious buyers who value long-term sustainability and cost savings. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Curb appeal doesn't end with visual beauty. It also includes the reassurance that your home is protected. A new door installation significantly strengthens home security, especially when replacing older doors that may have weakened over time. Modern entry doors offer reinforced frames, stronger locking mechanisms, impact-resistant materials, smart lock compatibility. These upgrades not only make your home safer but also give your exterior a polished, updated appearance that reflects a sense of care and attention to detail. Increases property value. For Conshohocken homeowners thinking about selling in the future, a new door installation can provide a high return on investment. Real estate professionals consistently note that an updated front entry improves a buyer's first impression, even before they step inside. A stylish, well-installed door signals that the home has been maintained and modernized. Because of its relatively low cost compared to larger exterior renovations, a new door is one of the most budget-friendly ways to boost marketability. Creates a welcoming first impression. Your front door serves as the gateway to your home. It sets the tone before anyone walks through it. Whether you're hosting guests, welcoming delivery drivers, or returning home after a long day, a beautiful door installation adds warmth and charm that you can feel every time you arrive.